Hi everyone, let's practice English while walking in the snowy park. Snow isn't that common here and it's really beautiful. So I decided to take this moment to teach you some useful winter vocabulary. Let's go for a walk. Wherever we look, snow is all around. It looks like a white blanket covering everything. Wherever I go, footprints are everywhere. Look, step, 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 and there are footprints in the snow. It snowed a lot. It was snowing all night. The benches are covered in snow. I think we have about 15 centimeters of snow, and I really wish it would stay longer. I love winter when it's snowy. It feels magical. But I don't like slush. Look, if the roads and sidewalks are not cleaned, it's not very safe to walk. It's wet and slippery. Ugh. Hello, buddy. And when the snow starts to melt, there will be slush everywhere. I hope that after the snowy days, sunny days will come, so the roads will be dry and there will be no slush. Oof. Okay, it's winter, but it's not very cold. About 2 degrees above 0 Celsius. What do you think? Is it cold? Or not really? Right now, I'm wearing a hat, mittens, a scarf, a coat, and winter boots. The air is kind of humid, so even though it's above 0, it feels colder, like it's below 0. Wind chill makes it feel even colder than the thermometer shows. You need to bundle up, and wear multiple layers in this weather. Snow is so magical in the winter, but on the downside, there are lots of broken branches on the ground. They fell under the weight of the snow. So be careful when you're walking in this kind of weather. Even though there was a snowstorm, the city is prepared for it. Public transport, including buses and cars, is running. But on the bright side, you can do many fun things, like play snowballs. And also build a snowman. Hi, I'm Olive. I like warm hugs. You can also make snow angels. To do this, you need to lie down like this and move your arms and legs like this. In general, there is something fairy tale-like about this kind of weather. It inspires me and makes me feel calm. Okay, I'm already very cold. I can feel the cold air on my face, so I'm going to run home to drink some tea and dry my clothes. Oof. If you want to help me warm up, you can buy me a cup of coffee or tea. The link is in the description. I remember once when snow fell on the coast where I lived at that time. It was very beautiful. Tangerines under the snow, snowy peaks above the sea, but the city was not ready for it. I remember that traffic stopped. There was not a soul outside. We were stuck in our snowy valley and waited for the snow to stop and melt. What about you? Does it snow often where you live? Share in the comments. Thank you for joining me in this winter vlog. I hope you enjoyed it. Also, don't forget to bundle up when you go outside. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful videos. See you in the next one. Bye.